guys, welcome back to another Roblox video. Today we're playing Roblox Complete the Facility. Today we're playing with a V over here, Cotton Pink. And we're playing with a guest named Pusheen Lovers. And she's also known as Allie. Allie she says she does not like beast. Do you, Allie? Stop being Allie. Okay, what mode should we pick? Should pick why are you doing Allie? Okay, everyone chose the homestead map. Now we're going in the round. I forgot to pause the video, but who cares? Let's see here. I hope Cole is the beast. I hope Cole is the beast. Make Cole the beast, make Cole the beast, make Cole the beast. Make Cole or Pusheen. It's Cole! Oh my gosh, it's all three of us. We are all supposed to have computers. Hopefully no one gets caught. I would hate it if someone gets caught. I don't like it when people get caught. I hope no one gets caught. No one, literally no one. Oops. Did not pay attention because I kept on speaking. And why can't I hack? Where's Pusheen? Where's Allie V? Have you seen her? Okay. Cole is near. Oh, ultimate teacher. Okay. So I go here and bam, that's how you do it. We could go back to hacking. He didn't see us. That's just. Bro! Okay, let's get to the next round. Boom, 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 boom. He's the beast. Gosh! You don't have to scream that loud. He always gets Allie for some reason. Like, because Allie, she's always getting Allie because Allie doesn't run much. I mean, it's only her like first few months playing and she's not used to it yet. Come on, hack this computer, hack this computer, hack this computer, and someone messed up. Who messed up of their own? Someone messed up of their own. Someone messed up, someone messed up, someone messed up of them. Okay, I don't think Allie's excited right now. Come on, Allie, you could escape her. No, you can't let anyone win. V, it's not fair. V, it's not fair. You only let her win. It's not fair. I'm the computer. V, you have to capture people. Or else Star Lila will kick you out of the server. Oh my gosh. There's 3 computers left. Okay. V, capture someone or I'll make sure Star Lila unfriends you. Stop saying you found a computer then. Hey girl. Oh girl, go, 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 go. No, you got Allie already? Oh, Allie. Allie, run. Run, peeps. Oh my gosh, run. Ooh, okay. She can't get out. Okay, Allie got captured once again. And now we gotta go save Weirdo. I got her. Let's go. Lilo. Come on, Lilo. We gotta escape. No, pushing. Go, girl, go. No, girl. Girl. Weirdo. No. Go, girl, go. No, girl, JFK. No. No. I got stuck. No. You can't target me. You hit her first. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. Did she already get saved? Who did she get saved by, I wonder? Allie, run! Allie, run! Did Allie get captured? Oh no. Allie! We're gonna make sure she gets out here safely. No. Oh, go. No. Get out. No, girl. No. I'm gonna get dragged all over the place because she's a maniac. Did you seriously already get someone again? Come on, we need to escape. Pushing again. Once again. Allie shall run. Allie shall run. Allie shall run. Hey! Look behind you! I'm not falling for that trick. And I'm always the BC thing. And you always shut the door on my face. No, this Allie. Allie, don't die this time. Allie again. Someone save her. Oh my gosh, we're not gonna escape. Someone needs to hack. Okay, proceed. Allie, go. No. no, 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 no. Go, go, go. Oh my gosh. She's not gonna escape anyways. We need to leave her. Oh no, she's gonna die. That's not good. Okay, we lost one. Stop looking at my screen. This is so annoying. Yes, you did. I know you did. I don't know if it's your friend. Oh no, we're all gonna die. I don't know if we'll make it out. Go, 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 go. I'm not gonna hack that. I'm not gonna hack that because we only have 5 minutes left. I lost it. Do you seriously not know how to spell good? You turn it back on. Okay, bye guys. Okay. And she had to leave because the thing ran out of battery. You have to well, that's gonna be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.